Changing your phone number with Cricket Wireless is straightforward and primarily done digitally. You can change your number through the Cricket Wireless app, website, or by calling customer service, though digital channels are faster. Reasons for changing include protecting your privacy, avoiding unwanted contacts, or simply wanting a fresh start. You'll need to be the account holder, have an active Cricket account, and be prepared for a $15 change fee. There are two main options: getting a new number assigned by Cricket, which is quick, or porting an existing number from another carrier, which takes longer but keeps your number. Remember, the process is typically irreversible without paying another fee. To change your number, log into your Cricket account through the app or website. Navigate to the number management section, usually under account or line details. Choose whether to get a new number or port an existing one, providing the necessary information. You'll need to verify your identity, usually with the last four digits of your SSN, and pay the $15 fee. New numbers activate almost instantly, while porting can take up to 7 business days. Remember to update your contacts manually. Looking ahead, Cricket is moving towards fully digital services with eSIM technology, simplifying number changes. Future FCC regulations may even allow instant number changes without fees. Keep an eye out for enhanced AI support within the Cricket app for proactive number suggestions and a smoother change process.